Hello everyone, this is Harleen Man. Welcome to Digital Marketing Jobs Bulletin Bangalore. In case you are looking for job openings for Bangalore location, then this video is meant for you. Let's get started. Myntra is looking for digital marketing associate for Bangalore location. Camry Technologies is looking for digital marketing profile. Code Power Technologies is looking for digital marketing associate, and this is for Bangalore location. And you can check experience, skills required before you apply for any job openings. Trilliant Digital is looking for senior digital marketing manager, and they have posted this requirement 12 hours ago. These all are full-time opportunities for Bangalore location. InvestPro Financial Services Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive for Bangalore location, and they have posted this job opening 2 days ago. Corner Tree Consulting Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive. Pocket FM Private Limited is looking for digital marketing manager, and this is for Bangalore location, and they have posted this job requirement 2 days ago, and this job opening is full time. Purple Rain Technologies is looking for inbound digital marketing profile, and this is remote opening. Arena Solutions is looking for digital marketing manager, and this is for Bangalore location. Innovative Technologies is looking for digital marketing executive. Vidu eConsult Private Limited is looking for digital marketing manager. Core Edge Solution is looking for digital marketing senior manager, and this is for Bangalore location. iQuanti is looking for digital services lead analyst SEO profile. InvestPro is looking for digital marketing executive. FinCity is looking for digital marketing profile for Bangalore location, and they have posted this job opening 2 days ago. Before you apply to these job openings, make sure that your resume should match the job description. Bazinga Media is looking for digital marketing executive. Web Design Bangalore is looking for digital marketing profile. Tools is looking for digital marketing strategist. Licious is looking for digital marketing manager for Bangalore location. Delightful Government Private Limited. Digital Deepak is looking for digital marketing manager for Bangalore location. Belfast Management is looking for digital marketing executive for Bangalore location. Seven Intelligence Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive for Bangalore location. Pattern Digital Technologies is looking for digital marketing expert. Brand Raga is looking for digital marketing specialist. Digital Ready is looking for assistant manager digital marketing. EY is looking for content marketing specialist senior profile. Invensys Technologies is looking for digital marketing manager. Accenture is looking for digital marketing content management profile. PalPayX is looking for digital marketing executive, and this is for Bangalore location. Just for You Enterprises is looking for digital marketing executive manager. Bazinga Media Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive, and their location is Sanjay Nagar, Bangalore. Neolacta Life Sciences is looking for digital marketing executive, and they have posted this job requirement 6 days ago. Data Trend is looking for digital marketing manager, and this is for Bangalore and Noida location. TechVaria Solutions Private Limited is looking for digital marketing manager, and this is for Bangalore location, and they have posted this job requirement 1 day ago. Don't worry, you are going to get list of companies who are looking for digital marketers in description or comment section. Bitpolo Technologies is looking for digital marketing manager. FameFlock is looking for digital marketing head. Shri Vijayalakshmi Agarbatti Works is looking for digital marketing executive. Lobo Staffing Solutions Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive. Stickman Consulting Private Limited is looking for digital marketing specialist. Haptagon Technologies is looking for digital marketing expert, and this is for Bangalore location. They have posted this job requirement 3 days ago. So Mindtree is looking for digital marketing profile, program director. This is very senior profile. So if you have more than 15 years experience, you can give a try for this company. This is very good company. SnapHunt is looking for digital marketing specialist. Multi-Recruit is looking for digital marketing profile. Get My Apps is looking for digital marketing profile. Creative Hands HR Consultancy is looking for digital marketing freshers. Cajun Consulting Private Limited is looking for digital marketing manager. Jobs is looking for social media associate or digital marketing profile. Headhunter is looking for digital marketing expert. You will be getting list of companies in description section. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment section. I will definitely answer your queries and try to solve the basic problems these days job seekers are facing. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.